Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Moto G9 Plus with a cracked display and it's quite dirty as well. Let's go fix it. So we'll start the repair by looking around the screen. You can see there's a crack on the corner. The display itself has this old plastic cover that is trapping some dirt underneath it. And we're straight into business. We're going to remove the back cover by prying it from the sides. We have removed the SIM card tray, so it's now safe to remove this. The back cover is plastic and it's wrapping around the device up to the edge of the screen. We're gonna cut through some of the adhesive. We're gonna remove this retaining bracket for the back cover. There's a connector there. And attach it, and then remove some screws for the mainboard cover. See there, the camera lens cover is also attached to that mainboard cover. This is the replacement display. You're gonna fold that copper sheet so that we can test it while the device is still half disassembled. This is the connector for the display, and there you go, it just turns on. Pretty nice. And we're just gonna peel the plastic off just to appreciate the vibrant color of the display. I miss the Motorola logo. The touchscreen is working, but we can't really go into the device. We don't have the passcode yet. And then we have shut this smartphone down. And we're gonna remove the battery. So the replacement display is fully working. That makes us quite optimistic for the result of this repair. The battery is held on by a very strong adhesive, so we have to soften it up with IPA and pull it from the sides. Of course, we're gonna mold it back to its flat shape. And the display connector is right here. We're gonna peel that off and then proceed now to the actual removal of the broken display. So it's quite a thin layer on top of the housing. We're gonna use this prying tool to slice through the adhesive. It's not that strong. This is a relatively affordable device, so we can just slice through it and then pull out the connector through that slot right there. And then we'll prep the housing, remove the old adhesive, any shards of glass. Of course, we're going to brush them off. And David has also found a dent on the corner right here. This is I think the main damage for this smartphone, so we're gonna grind it off with this mini drill so that the new display can just be reinstalled without any issues for the fit. New adhesives, of course, our own liquid adhesive, so it's not gonna be waterproof or anything. It's just gonna hold on to this brand new display, and we are routing the connector through that slot and then position it and then pressing it in there. And then the display connector, we need to remove the adhesive strip and install it first before you lay it in the back of the housing. It's quite tough to install the display. It's quite secure, but it's tough to connect them together. The battery, of course, goes right in. It has its own adhesive, so we can reuse it. And then connect it to the main board, of course. And then we'll go reverse from that. I'm just gonna cover the smartphone up, and it's good to go. So if you have a Moto G9 Plus that needs a new display, needs a new battery, it's quite complicated if you don't have the experience and the tools to do the job. But if you can visit Sydney CBD Repair Centre, you can visit David. He will give you a free quote for the total repair cost, and we offer reasonable prices here. So if you don't have the warranty for your Apple, Samsung, Asus, Lenovo, Oppo, Xiaomi, any other smartphone brands that you may have, just visit us here. We fix, David, not me, David fixes a lot of stuff. He's been in this business for many years now, and he's a master, total master. So right now we're just gonna close this up, clean the display, of course, because there's goo everywhere, but it's working. It's ready to be given back to a client. So I hope you enjoyed this, guys. Hope you like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any suggestions or any negative comments for this repair. This is the before and after, and we'll see you again next time. Take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.